Hello friends, summer's here, so time to make some summer coolers and enjoy these refreshing drinks. So this season the first one is going to be a Kiwi summer cooler. It's an easy peasy drink just with 5 ingredients which we normally always have at home. So let's make this and enjoy.
Kiwi summer cooler. For this we'll require 3 kiwis, salt 1 or 2 pinches, chaat masala half teaspoon, yogurt 1 tablespoon, honey 1 tablespoon, chilled water as needed. Ingredients list is also shared in the description box. I have peeled and cut the kiwi into cubes. Transfer all the ingredients into the blender jar. Here goes the chaat masala. If you don't have chaat masala, you can use roasted cumin powder also. Pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Honey about 1 tablespoon. Check it out later. If the kiwi is too sour, then you can add little more. And about 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Simple ingredients. Add chilled water about 2 cups. Now let's blend all these. Here we have the juice ready. We need to strain this because kiwi has lot of seeds. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and click the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. Also, don't forget to select the all option so that you can see all my recipes as soon as I post the video. Straining is done. Check the taste. You can adjust if anything is required. Now let's garnish the rim of the serving glass. Dip it in water first and then in the mixture of salt and chili powder. Pour the drink into it. Looks very presentable this way. Garnish with a slice of kiwi and a sprig of mint. Here we go. Our kiwi summer cooler is ready to enjoy. Quick and easy drink. Such drinks are always enjoyable in summer. Cool and refreshing. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. You might like them. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye until then.